I'm Joben. Um, I want us to learn about the ELS task on Emacs on file opening. Okay, you can see um, some pieces of code right here. So what we'll do is, first of all, we have to change the directory to the root directory. That means whatever we're going to be doing is going to be stored in the root directory. So now, to do that, we use uh, the command cd. Cd means change directory. We're changing the directory to root directory. This is the root directory. Now we say cd slash root. That means we have successfully changed to the root directory. Now the next thing we have to do now, we say okay. We type ls. Ls now print everything we've been doing so far on the screen. You can see you can see what is there, what the initial files we have created. It's able to print it for us. You can see um, 0x02 Emacs 0x03 VI empty directory not here, OSCO ready to remove, blah blah blah. Now you can see the next step is to you have to change the tags. The requested tags is to change our directory to the Emacs 0x02 because initially our directory is on the root directory. Now we have to change it to the 0x02 Emacs to this new directory called 0x02 underscore Emacs. So how do we do that? We said cd means change directory to this one. Now we'll come to the next line of code. You can see right here, you can see we have to when you do that, sorry, when you have changed it to the directory, you hit on enter. The enter will take you to this platform. You type ls. You type ls in keyboard. The ls now tell you print opening. The ls print what? Opening. You can see right here opening on the screen. Now, how do you open these files? You know, you now use what we call this statement here, echo. Um, this particular stuff here, this syntax here, it helps you to open a file. So the next thing you now type opening. Having done that, um, you go to your let me check. You go to your ALS. Okay, you go to your ALS. You can see. Go to your internet platform. What you do, you check the code. You can see here all the checks are correct. You can see. You can see they are all correct. They're all present. PowerPoint is present, and you can see the assignment here. What the assignment tell us, he said, um, okay, on file opening, there was a command to open a file from with Emacs. Write the answer into the file. You can see we just done that. You can validate if the format of your answer is correct by displaying the below information. You can see we've just done that. So um we have succeeded and completed the task. Okay, happy learning. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.